Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Vscode versus Atom. We'll dive into their fundamental differences, exploring aspects like speed, available extensions, and the vibrancy of their respective communities. Understanding these key areas will help you make an informed decision about which code editor best suits your development needs and preferences. Let's get started by looking at their foundational architectures. Vscode, built on Electron, is renowned for its impressive speed and efficiency. It consistently delivers quicker startup times and a smoother editing experience, even with many extensions. Its vast marketplace offers tens of thousands of extensions, providing incredible versatility. Developers also benefit from its powerful integrated Git source control and comprehensive debugging tools, making it a highly productive environment for nearly any project. Atom, also built on Electron, was once celebrated as the hackable text editor due to its unparalleled customization options. Its open-source foundation empowered developers to deeply modify its core, creating a truly personalized environment. However, a significant factor to consider is that active development for Atom has ceased. This means no new features or official updates, which can be a critical limitation for long-term projects and security. Considering all factors, Vscode stands out as the clear choice for most developers today. Its active development, consistent performance improvements, and vast, well-maintained extension ecosystem provide a robust and future-proof environment. While Atom offered unique customization in its prime, its lack of ongoing support makes it a less viable option for professional development. For a reliable, efficient, and supported editor, Vscode is the definitive recommendation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.